Hi you all. Welcome to Yoga with Tomi. Yoga on Fifth Avenue, Yuma, Arizona. Today, I wish to share with you short dog and a long dog, like hot dog. How is that? Okay. To start with, we just sit. Stretch your legs are here. Right? Then bring your hand to front. Yeah. Your familiar pose. This is all fours. Touch your toes. Take a deep breath in. Bring your knee off the floor. Hold there to exhale. Take one more deep breath in. Go up to halfway. Hold there to exhale. You're gonna start feeling on your legs. One more deep breath in, push all the way up. As you exhale, bring your heel down to floor. Try to push your crown of your head almost to the floor. There we go. This is a short dog. Whenever you're ready, take a deep breath in. Oh, come on, back down to all fours. There we go. Now we're gonna do long dog. Here we go. All fours. And walk your hand about, depends how tall you are. Half foot or quarter of a foot. Take a deep breath in. You know what to do. Hold there to exhale. One more inhale. Push a little bit more. Hold there to exhale. Take one more deep breath and push it all the way up. Most of people cannot get your heels onto floor. It is okay. Whenever you're ready for it. Take a deep breath in, push your shoulder to front. Can you see my toes? It's tipping. And tighten up your tummy muscle. There you go. And if you're up to it, point your toes. Push your chest up. This is an upward facing dog. Now bring your knee down to floor. Go to child pose. Your knee should be nice and wide open. Bring your hip down, low as you can, unless you have issue with your knees. When you're ready, inhale, come on back to up. Here we are. Thank you for joining me. We'll see you soon again. Namaste.